Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. So this video is about the Samburu trip. If you've watched it, you can find it in my playlist. Check it out. I collaborated with Felicity, though it wasn't much of a collaboration really. She did most of the videos, so you can watch and see it. Enjoy.
Hello and what's up guys? Of course it's me, Felicity. So guys, I just feel like laughing. Right now it's around 5:30 and I'm already up and dressed, as you can see. So guys, guess what? I'm having a trip to somewhere. Wow guys, so it's been actually long before I woke up this early. I woke up at around 5. Yeah, and yeah, so I have a trip to somewhere guys. I want you to stay tuned and check out the place that I'm headed to. Solo, not solo actually. I'm going there with a friend. So we're supposed to meet in town by 6:30 and then we'll be off from that time. Yeah. So guys, I'll be telling you where I'm headed to in a few minutes probably. So anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I don't know why I'm so psyched up. I'm not a morning person. Yeah, so it's time to head out and yeah guys, stay tuned. I'm already here guys. Excuse, tunaingia na hizi bag. Tunaingia na hizi bag. Sawa. Tabasulutisha. Aya, sawa. This is our first stop. We're in Sagana right now. We're going to take breakfast. It's at around 10 something. So we'll take breakfast for like 20 minutes and then we'll be back. And yeah, the journey continues. Guys, I was so surprised. I didn't know Samburu is that far. Like from Nanyuki, it's 4 more hours from there so that you can get to Samburu.
Woke up looking like a queen on my throne. Been through the storms, but now I stand on my own. I built this empire from the sweat on my skin. Every loss, every fall made me rise and win. My name holds power, I'm the force to flame. I'm walking in purpose, ain't no need for the fame. I shine in my lane, ain't nobody do it.
Guys, we're in Nanyuki right now. Actually, tuko kwa equator. Yeah. Okay, it's so cold, mbona? Imagine if
Hey guys, unfortunately we got a puncture. You can see, so this is what is happening. This is our truck, it's big, and these are the people who are doing the repair. Yeah, and these are other guys, we are with them. And now this is the road from Isiolo to Samburu, and we have that Kamzungu there. We will give you a story about him. So bye.
I'm still laughing because guys, 7 hours later, how many 8? 9 hours later, we are finally in Samburu. It's a camp called Nashipa Eco Camp.
Yeah.
So iko interior Samburu guys, like watu wame pitch tents, si tumesema aki the ants tumepatana nazo konje. We've just opted to take this room. It's like a room but it's tented, as in iko na tent, and it's also insuited. So guys, I'm going to give you like a small tour of how this room looks. Okay, the guys we've come with, okay, like in the trip package ilikuwa like you're supposed to pitch a tent, as I explained in my previous vlog, but I have never slept in a tent before. Plus nimeona I won't be as much comfortable. Plus I needed to charge my phone. There's a charging place here, and I also needed to vlog for you guys because it's dark outside. So probably in the morning I'm going to show you guys how the place looks like huko nje. It's actually not a bad place. At least nimefika Samburu. So guys, let me give you like a small tour. Don't expect too much. It's just like a place to sleep, and then yeah, in the morning we'll be having a game drive, and later on at night we'll be having a bonfire. No? Yeah. So guys, let me show you the room. Let me give you the room tour. This is the room stroke tent stroke hotel place. So there's this a small bed over here. It's like a bonus in case you come with a family ama kitu kayo. And then there are 2 beds. Yeah, there's one here. Here is mine and Lynn's. Yeah, so we are going to share the room with her. There's like a small thing here. I think you can go or something. As you can see, this place is literally a tent. And then the good thing that I can't forget, there's a place to charge your phone. There's electricity over there. You can charge your phone and whatnot. Yeah. And then there's a toilet. There's a toilet. There's a toilet here. Ila toilet nimeenda huko nje yake nimekula na so there's a toilet here and a sink. And there's the shower there. Tumeambia you can bathe from here. So it's just like a room where you do your own thing. Yeah, I love it actually. It's simple, awesome. And private kidogo, yeah? Yeah. So yeah guys, so after this at 8:30 we're supposed to go for dinner. We're supposed to go for dinner at 8:30, and then after that we have a bonfire. First of all, we're going to take our bags from the car, and then maybe we can change and settle. Unajua tumeshinda kwa gari since morning. Well, I can't wait to sleep and wake up tomorrow and just see the place. Unajua usiku msio unangi place vizuri. So in the morning I'll get to show you guys how the place actually looks. Yeah guys, so see you in the morning. Good morning guys, I just woke up in Samburu. Yay. So guys, I'm going to show you around. Tumepigiwa simu saa ni 6:30. We are supposed to go take breakfast. I think it's ready. So guys, I want to show you around. I don't know if I ametoa tent sawa, maybe I can show you. Yeah, the way the place looks. So yeah, let's go and check it out. Tuone pia vile nje kuna kaa. It's so cold in the morning. Guys, I don't know if you saw this place. Where that is the place we slept, guys. Imagine. But it's not that bad. So guys, I don't know if you can see some tents over there. I'm going to show you well. So this is what there is behind me. Like if you can see that fence, there's there are animals over there. Kuna elephants and whatnot. So actually we are having breakfast and then we go for that car game drive and check them out. There are more cottages here. Yeah, there are 2 more cottages over there. So guys, let me go and show you more around. Guys, tunaenda tukunywa chai as I natembea mbio.
So once you post this, taxes to get over. Zizos catering services. Yes, ZDI, ZUS. Can you do that for us? I will appreciate it. Okay. Yes, no. So it's ZU. ZU, ZDI. Zizos.
Mbona hizi sema kwa taarifa?
Anasikia kiasi? Zizos. Zizos catering services. At pole Sereni. Samburu. Karibu sana.
Allah, Miss Vlogger. So guys, I'm here with Lynn and
Brenda.
And Brenda tuonekani. So she wants to show us
my tent.
Yeah, her tent. So this is where our team does. And then there are the bathrooms over there. Those are the bathrooms. And there around you can see vile kuna kaa. It's like a desert, in the middle of a desert. So yeah, let's see.
Let me show you my humble abode since last night. So you lift this and place like that.
Yeah.
And then you open this zip. And then this one is going to sample my home
for the night.
So welcome my new guest. How do you see the place?
It's not bad.
Yes.
So where were you
sleeping?
Here. It wasn't cold. And who was sleeping here?
Oh, where you are is where Brian was sleeping and then me here.
Okay. Not bad.
It was warm.
So how was the experience?
It was really warm, comfortable, but you could hear animals. Like we had hyenas laughing over there. Show them over there. And then elephants were walking here.
What?
Elephants.
No, you are lying.
And there were some lions. Either way, it was good. So that's how a tent looks like, guys. And then when you come out, you just pull down this and close it up so that mosquitoes do not enter. And then you're done. Come, let us show you our campsite.
This is very big. When the people tumetoka, we didn't come back.
Niliona
Nilisikia like mlicheza games. There was like a bonfire here.
Yeah.
And
Excuse me.
female move. Hizi ndo lose. Na zile ziko ile side.
No. Okay. This is the toilet. Yeah, you can see it, and it's covered around with tent. Yeah. So that's it.
So now I'll show you the bathroom. So the bathroom had a shower.
Oh.
I thought unajua.
Unafungulia pale juu.
I think this one is much better than the other one. Even in it's dark, alafu like I don't know.
That's the short tour, guys.
Yeah, so guys, like pale hivyo, you saw those villages, like
Yeah.
like in those manaka.
Yeah.
I wish I could go there and vlog something.
Then it goes a little something like
You are funner and at the ball. You are funner and at the ball. You are funner and at the
Thank you for watching. We have reached the end of this vlog. Find the rest of the videos on my playlist. Nobody is watching, and please like and subscribe. Bye.